Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, we're going to talk about what the next steps are for the market, why I think the SPY should be hitting 516, 517 maybe this week, why I was bearish this week in general as well. But we're going to take a look at all those things. We're going to take a look at the S&P, the NASDAQ, the Russell, the dollar, and the VIX, and what the next steps are for the market as a whole. All right, so without further ado, let's get started with the video. First and foremost, this is a look at our profits channel. Clearly, you can see that many people are doing very, very well. I share all of my day trades and my swing trade signals. And not only that, I also teach people how to fish. It's not just giving people fish. It's teaching people how to fish as well. So if you guys are interested in this, I share all of my signals as they are occurring with the price that I buy and sell at. I also teach risk management, and I explain why I'm entering and exiting my trades as well. So you gain access to me throughout the day. You gain access to a high quality community of people that are all trying to become better as a whole. You also gain access to my educational process of how to become a good trader. You need no knowledge about the stock market, and you will become, and you will essentially learn what you need to know in order to be a consistent trader. From A through Z, I give you all of the books and courses you need. So you gain access to all of those different things along with my trading view indicator. So if you guys are interested, go ahead and click the link in my bio. Love to have you. We are a group of uplifting, high quality, very, very serious traders. We love to help, and we want other people to succeed as well. All right. So I hope that answers your questions. Please leave any comments or concerns below, and I will definitely respond to them as well. So just truly to make this very, very nice and simple, the SPY has support at around 516 to 517. All right. We are clearly at a very major level of support here at 518. So below that, then we could easily see the 516, 517 zone. One thing that we have to take into consideration is when we're looking at the MACD indicator, this MACD indicator, it looks like it's about to cross below. When we have a bearish cross where the blue line crosses below the orange, that generally shows bearish momentum. So if the MACD indicator is going to start showing bearish momentum, then clearly there's a bigger chance that the SPY is also going to be a bit bearish. So keep that in mind. This is not the most bullish setup, but we essentially need to see how the market responds at around 515, 516 for this week. It's not a guarantee that we're going to just capitulate and just be very, very bearish this week. I don't think that. It just becomes a bit worrisome to try to short after a big move to the downside already. Because what we've been seeing over the last few months was whenever we got to a level of support, we bounced. So right now we're approaching a major support zone here. We're right at one at 518, and right below we're at 516, 517 area. So it's not a 100% guarantee to just automatically become bearish. We are now clearly at a level of support, and even though the MACD is crossing down lower, we can still get abrupt moves to the upside and consolidate. So we can still consolidate, which will cause the MACD to continue falling lower while the price of the SPY holds at certain points. So that is very important. The other large tech stocks and things of that nature, obviously those are either going to be red. They're not going to show that many indications of bullishness. So it's sort of not really necessary to look through those. You could see how the NASDAQ is also red. And you could also see, obviously, how the IWM is also red. One of the main things, though, is the VIX. So with the VIX, we were trading below $13. Generally, when we're trading below $13 on the VIX, it is not... So, okay, so first of all, the VIX has an inverse relationship to the market, right? So if the VIX is bullish, then generally the market should be bearish. Okay. Now, the VIX the MACD indicator on the VIX is looking to cross above, whereas on the SPY, it was giving a bearish signal. The VIX is showing a bullish move, right? The other thing was that the VIX was trading in the below 13. So when we're trading below 13, it usually always wants to bounce. So unless the market is at a complete, it's just skyrocketing, right? When the VIX is below 13, that is usually a sign to start taking some profit on your longs and to lean a bit short, because the VIX tends to want to bounce out of the 12s or when it's lower than 13. So just imagine, when we're trading below 13, the VIX tends to want to bounce. And if the VIX bounces, then that is obviously bearish for the market. And that's essentially what happened. So aside from that, there's truly not really that much else to look at. Everything else is truly just speculation. We have the last quarter, the last week of the quarter this week. And, this is not an automatic reason to just blatantly become bearish. This could easily just be a bear trap. So keep that in mind. But so far, so good. We were a bearish heading into this week. I did think that we were going to get a pullback. This could be the end of the pullback, to be honest. But, there's still more yet to come, maybe. So we're going to go ahead and see how that plays out into tomorrow. There's only 2 more trading days left of the week. We had an amazing March. We have above an 87% success rate for the month of March so far. Well over an 85% success rate for March and above an 87% success rate for February. And doesn't really get much better than that. So, if you guys want access to me throughout the day, you guys want access to my thought process, my trades, my analysis, all that good stuff, go ahead and click the link in the comments or in my bio, and you will gain access to the Discord. Love to have you guys here, and I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Please make sure to like, comment, subscribe, do all that good stuff, and I will see you guys bright and early tomorrow morning. Thank you.